This is the sitting room. Our ceiling, the red ceiling.
Painted the ceiling.
I love our red 03 ceiling. I think it just works.
Yeah, I do too. And we're nearly done in here. We do need some curtains or some blinds. We want to get some shelves in the alcoves.
Books.
Some books. And we're also missing a telly. But otherwise, that was cool.
Because we also need more storage, like books or like a bookshelf or what's it called? A cabinet.
Yeah.
A cabinet.
A wall unit.
A wall unit, yeah. Over there maybe. You know, for all our vases that we will one day have.
That miraculously is the only left pile of stuff from...
Why are you showing that? So come this way. This is the bedroom. We can play a game of find the cat. There's one cat. There's another one. Hello. Yeah, so eventually we'll get a wardrobe. I quite like a corner wardrobe or something.
Do you miss the built-in wardrobe?
No, do not miss the built-in wardrobe.
He's the one who wants storage all the time. If we had that, we'd have loads of storage.
Yeah, but you wanted to keep the built-in wardrobe for a while.
For storage.
That monolith.
My favourite piece of furniture. I got this off, I shouldn't show you in there, it's really messy. But it's a desk. And it's where I do my work.
This is our hallway. So we painted the banisters dark green. And then we weren't necessarily going to do the door. But I think actually Tash recommended that we do the door. And we did. And I think it looks really good.
I really like our handles actually. I found these on Etsy. Here is one of the gold light switches that Jason loves.
Really pleased with those.
So this is the kitchen, which also we did. These are more of those knobs from Etsy. Really like them. We are going to possibly do one long shelf along here for spices, like a long spice rack. This is cool, look, corner cupboard. Whee! Good, isn't it?
We want to get a unit up here. Somewhere to have our glasses and plates.
Yeah, and then I think we'll also, this is the sort of breakfast table area. And then I think we'll also at some point put shelves there for things like larger pots, the tagine we have that we've never used. So yeah, we just need a bit more kind of colour in here, don't we?
Yeah.
So these are our tiles that we did. You know, as you can see, they're meant to be a bit rough and ready. Like they're not even, but that's, the tiles themselves aren't even, so that's not us. Some of it's us, like how uneven along the top it is, that is us. And then if you look closely, I don't know if you can see it. If you look really close, you can see kind of the holes.
Don't tell them that.
Oh. Well, we didn't cut it very well.
We'll have the bloody building safety inspectors round.
Yeah, so there's some holes there. Okay, so this is bathroom. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. This is the thing we made. Ta-da! We had little corner shelves made and put in, which I really like. These here. You can get smaller size toilets, so we got a mini toilet because we've got a mini bathroom. But you don't notice it when you sit on it.